Hello, I'm Raj, and today I came up with my another project. So first, let me tell you about what is my project and what I built. So this is a basic route which I built with the help of Django. Till now, I used to work on Node.js projects. Means I worked on Node.js, but but for some days I tried to use some OpenAI resources to make my projects with using of different languages. So till now I use Node.js for backend and just HTML and JavaScript for the front end side. Now, but now I tried to use Django for the backend. Now, how do we create the routes in the Django? So these kind of things are built in the my project. So let's see that how did I build that and how it's working. Let's see all the things. Yeah. So this is my project. This is a virtual environment which we are creating the Django project for you know for keeping the modules in that. Now, what we used to do in the Node.js, we used to do in the Node.js like node modules. So inside that node modules, we used to install all our modules whichever we want to install. It's like external modules we want to install that we used to install in the node modules. So here we have to we have a virtual environment. Inside that virtual environment, we have to install all our libraries. You can say in the Node Django we say library to it. So we install all the our files inside all your modules inside the virtual environment. Okay, after that we so let's run this program. So it's already running this program. So let's go on this side. Let's see what it's showing. It's showing hi to us, but let me show you the other commands which are basic basic commands which are running. Okay, for now let's not work on the HTML part. Let's see the routes, how the routes are running. Okay, so let's see that all the routes which are running on the Thunder client and how is it running. We will see that as well. Okay, it's taking a bit of time. Okay, so our code is running on 8,000. So we will for that we also running our code for on the 8,000. So the first route is we'll say all the routes over here. So the grid over here. So the path will be grid, method will be get. So for now, it's just a basic. It's just a starting of Django. So I just tried to get some basic routes for that. So if I do this, if I send this route, it will tell us that it will greet us. Yes. So hello Raj. And suppose if I want to do another like farewell, just I want to do the farewell to with my name as well, with my name also. So let's send this and see that goodbye Raj. So this is basic route. So based upon this, based upon this assignment, I did another project as well. Now uh, uh, let's stop this and run another project. So this is my another project which we I'm going to show the actual CRUD operation. How did I build that and how is it working actually? So we will see that all the CRUD operations. First of all, let's activate the actual environments, virtual environment, and after that we will see the it's okay. It's not activating. So yes, this will be the path for that. To activate our virtual environment in the Django, we run this command. So you can see that this is the activation part for that. And after that, now I want to run my main application, to run my server. So for that, we use Python manage.py run server. Now, if I hit the enter, it will be running on the port will be run on that. So okay, it's giving the error, but let's resolve that error. What is it saying that? Cannot find the module virtual app. Okay, okay. There is some requirement to change inside the setting. Let's change that some of the things inside the here only. Okay, let's comment out this. I was trying to connect my application to backend, so that's why it's showing the error. Okay, it's fine now. Okay, this should be for now. This should be true only. Okay, and after that, I think it should run right now. No, it should run. Okay, some more things are also there. Let's resolve that as well. Here's a good. I think it's everything is looking good, but still it's giving the error. Let us. Okay, debug it's true, right? That is also true. This is also it's correct. That is also correct. Allow origins. Origins. I think this should be. This should not be this. This should be this. This should be the path. Now let's see that is it running or not. Yeah. Now you can see that this is running on this particular port. So now if I run this, if I open this, okay, you may need to add to allow host. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I got it. Just this to for running. Now it will also run. This will also accept this. Now let's see that. Let me see the welcome to the application. So this is running properly to the application. And now if I want to check one by one, each route one by one. So let's see that one by one how is it running. Now if I show this is a first route, this is a basic first route that for the default I keep it for the welcoming to the app. And now there are so many things, right? So many routes. So read route, create route is there for creating the data. And for a database, for as a database, I am using just a JSON file to store the data. And our CRUD application, operations will be uh, connected to the data.json file, and everything updation, deletion, deleting the data, updating the data, everything connected to the JSON file. Okay, after that, these are all the routes. Now let's see that. First of all, yes, so we have some data, so let's read the data. Let's go to the here. Let's see the read. Let's read the data. So this is the data we have inside our JSON file. Now let's create. Now let's create. So we have create. Uh, okay, and now I want to create similar data. Now let's change the ID. Let's give the ID. We have to give the ID for now. So let's keep it current and uh, let's put it Nagpur. Now, if I this route will be post because we are adding the data to the file, so this route will be method will be post. So let's hit on the send button. So it's saying that data is created successfully. Now let's see inside the file. So this you can see that this is adding to the file. Now another thing which you want to do is let's update this now. Now let's update this, and therefore this will be method will be put because we want to update something. Now let's keep the ID as 2, and let's suppose let's change the name. Let's keep it Yadav. Jadhav, and give the ID should be 2. So he's saying that the data with ID2 updated successfully. Now let's see is it updated or not. So you can see that this is updated. Now if I keep any other random ID which is not present inside the database, or you can say the JSON file, so this will generate the data with the ID file which is not found. Okay. Now this last route which I want to show you, this is which is delete. So I want to delete with the ID2. Suppose let's say the ID which is not present at the JSON file, and if you want to send that, so method will be delete. There is no doubt inside that. But if you want to delete that, now it will show the error that data with the ID is not found. Now the ID which is present inside it, so data with the ID2 which is deleted successfully. You can see that this is deleted as well. So this is a basic route which I made using the Django for the backend. But till now I used to use Node.js for within I just made this application within just 2.5 hours for with the help of open AI resources which are present to us, which is present for us. So that is I wanted to show you all, and thank you for listening to this video. Thank you.